Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Today we going to see tax invoice print in Tally ERP9. This add-on helps to print invoice format. Two type of invoice, one IGST format, another one is CGST and SGST format. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. Please like and share our channel. Then we go to the customization part. We go to Gateway of Tally. We first see Tally default format. I will enter some entries. I will show. We will select Tally default format. It will show this format. First it will show tax invoice title, then it will design left side company details and customer details, and right side invoice details, and it will take more pages for the printing copy. And inventory part, it will show first title and inventory part. This is stock part and HSN code and quantity, rate, discount and amount. Discount it will show percentage only, and downside ledger detail, freight charges, transportation charges, GST, and it will go the next page and it will show the service tax, SGST, then it will show total value, then it will show GST values, how much GST it will allocate, central tax and state tax, and total amount, and finally how much tax amount in VAT, and company bank details, and company PAN number, and company names and authorized signature. This is Tally default format. It will show this format. We done a customization, some different changes is there. We will see that. First we go to Gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally F11 features, add-on feature, enable customization, yes, then save it, then go to account voucher type, alter sales. You can give enable customization format, yes, then you can give company logo path, then authorized person who is given that, and destination of the user, then save it, then go to transaction, display daybook, then I will take first one. It will show first voucher number, date, and reference number, then party name you will fill, dispatch document number, dispatch through, destination, bill of landing or LLR number, motor vehicle number, then purchase order number, PO number, then order details, how many mode of payment, terms of payment, other reference, payment due date, customer PO, terms of delivery, and this is buyer details, then stock item details, then this is our normal default Tally entries, then ledger details, this is freight charges, and we will select CGST and SGST. This is for local state transfer. We will see control enter customer, Maharashtra only. And save it. Controlling. We'll take print and P. We will design this format. First, company logo, it will display your company logo. Tax invoice, this is company GST number and PAN number, and invoice details, and invoice serial number we given the reference number, invoice date, state and state code, PO number and date, place of supply where we supply Maharashtra, transportation details we will give, transportation mode, vehicle number, LR and LR date, transport name, payment terms and DV1. Then it will going to bill to and ship to. You will change where to bill and shipping to which customer, that place, destination, location. This is bill to and ship to, where the location, and finally we go to inventory detail. Inventory detail we given this much column. First column serial number, second column description of the goods and item details, then HSN code as SAC code of the item, number of package, quantity, rate, discount percentage, and we add discount amount column, taxable value of the item, and it will show the GST amount of the particular item and STGST amount of the particular item value. Then we will come to down it will calculate total inventory amount of the discount, taxable value, and which CGST value and SGST value, and total item value it will calculate. Total item value it will show 50,000 something, 18,000 plus 40,000 will show that. Taxable value 18,000 and 40,000, totally 58,000 here, and it will show ledger details, transportation charges and other things. Then it will add all ledger information too. Then it will come total value, final total. Then it will calculate CGST and STST amount, the total amount it will show here. Then finally invoice total taxable value is 69,000 and including CGST and SGST value. Final total invoice total it will show here 86,178, and left side it will show CGST amount invoice, SGST amount invoice, and total invoice amount invoice. And down bank detail it will show bank, which holder name and IFSC code, account number, bank name, branch also, and BSR code. And downside it will come terms and condition for sales, and it will give the declaration. And right side GST invoice, this is your company name, which company you will give, this company name will be displayed, and signature part, and it will show authorization name, who are authorized person, Mr. ABC, and designation is, and who is receiver, they will give the sign and stamp here. This is for we display local state only Maharashtra. Next we will show interstate transfer. We will go another format, go to another format and click this. Yeah, we get the another format, IGST format. Same thing we will print, and it will show only IGST format, also same thing, and it will show only the column only IGST only, and it will automatically increase the width of the item and same thing, HSN code, number of package, quantity, rate, description and description amount, taxable value. Then finally IGST rate and calculation of IGST rate and amount. This is item GST value, how much rate is. Then finally we will come downside, ledger information and total IGST calculation here, and finally total taxable value and IGST value. Left side it will show IGST amount invoice and invoice amount invoice and bank detail of the company, and finally here this was signature and stamp. Right side company detail, GST invoice, going to signature, signature report and name, designation over which designation you will. This is the final format. Thank you friends. If you want customization, contact us our mobile number 938412800 and email agstechh@gmail.com. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. You will not miss our new updated videos. Please like and share, comment your thought. Thanks for watching our channel.